Guys, in this video we are going to continue with the basic Excel function, and we are going to look at the if function. And now, how is the if function used, or why is it used? The if function is used when you want to give a command to Excel, and taking into consideration if you want Excel to check if what you have given has fulfilled a particular criteria. For example, in this scenario which we got, we want to ask Excel that if, for example, this total marks is equal to or greater than 1500, Excel should consider that person has passed. But if it is less than 1500, Excel should consider that person has failed. So we are going to come up with a function which is called the if function, and you can just put your equal to your if, which is a clause, or better still, you can come to your formula, bang, and you take what? Your if function. Okay, I don't just like using this one. I'm just going to go directly to put the formula. I'm just going to take equal to if function. Now your logical test. Your logical test is like, what do you want to test? Now we want to test if, for example, this is what? Greater than. We select our shift and the greater than sign, or equal to 1500. Okay, so that is our limit. If it is below 1500, Excel should consider that it has what? Failed. The person has failed. But if it is above 1500 or equal to, Excel should consider that the person has passed. If that cell is equal to or greater than 1500, we take a comma and then we put. Now, value if true simply means if it is above or greater than what you want Excel to display, passed. Okay, I'm just going to put it in caps. Passed. Value if false simply means if it is below what you want Excel to display, failed. So you close our bracket. So Excel will check in the cell. If it is below or above, Excel will decide accordingly. Now they are telling us we have some issues. Do you want to accept? Yeah. The issues, okay, we missed it. All right, that's our answer. Now look at the formula. If F2 is greater than or equal to 500, Excel should consider 1500. Excel should consider what? Passed. If not, Excel should consider failed. That is why we had what? Failed, because 1270 is what? Less than 1500. So we're gonna try it again in the next one, which is 2300. Equal to if we open our bracket, our logical test, which is what we intend testing, is greater than or equal to 1500, comma, what do we want Excel to display? Passed, comma, give and open again, otherwise failed. So Excel will check if this is greater than or equal to 1500. Excel will represent passed. So that is why we have what? Passed. And if you're okay with that, you can just drag and drop, and you have all been filled, taking into consideration all the other figures. That is simply means again that we have about we have one pass here, we have pass. All those which you see pass, it simply means they are above what? 1500, and all those we fail, it simply means they are what? Less than 1500. Okay, we are going to continue by making use of what? Multiple if function, because if you look at it clearly, many people have passed, but they don't have the same word total marks. Okay, so it's like being biased. We keep it at this stage, but we have to what? Categorize them in categories. Let's assume that anybody above 2000, okay, let's say greater than 2000, greater than 2000, we want to give the person probably an A grade. Now let's say greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to maybe 1700, I want to give the person a B grade. Now greater than or equal to 1500, we would like to give the person a C grade. And anybody less than 1500, we want to give the person a D grade. So we are going to grade it in that order, meaning people greater than or equal to 2000 should have what? An A grade. So we start with the very first. This is what? Making use of what? Multiple if function, if criteria. So equal to if, oh sorry about that, equal to if logical test. What's our logical test? We are testing this is greater than or equal to 2000, comma, what do we want Excel to display? A grade. So we put an A, take a comma, another if function again, open bracket, still same, is greater than or equal to 1700, comma, what do we want Excel to display? A B grade. Again, another if open our bracket, same, is greater than or equal to 1500, meaning from 1500 to below 1700 we want Excel to display what? A C grade. Another if, open our bracket, anything less than 1500, Excel should just consider it a D grade. Good. Now, how many times have we opened the bracket? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to close it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And take our enter. So now it's giving us a D grade. Let's check, see whether it's correct. So we check. The max is 1270. It's below 1500. That is why it's given what? A D grade. So I'll take it all over again. Equal to if, open our bracket, logical test. This is our total mark. This is greater than or equal to 2000, comma, we want Excel to respond an A grade. Good. Comma, if this is greater than or equal to 1700, comma, we want Excel to respond a B grade. Comma, if, open our bracket again, this is greater than or equal to 1500, comma, we want Excel to respond a C grade. Comma, if this is less than what? 1500, meaning anything below 1500, Excel should just consider, even if it is what? 1499, Excel should just consider what? A D grade. So take a comma and we give Excel the command to give what? A D grade, and we count how many times we have opened and closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have an A grade because it's actually above 1500. Sorry, it's actually above 2000. So having done that, we can just hold and pull down. So it shows that now everybody has its own grade. Nobody can be biased because we have just categorized everybody. So that is the if function. In our next video, we are going to look at the combination of what? If function and what? Some if function. Thank you very much.